damn, these can actually go on. Like, they're popping. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, we do have a new headband wig that I will be showing you guys. I am going to be showing you guys a new wig that I got from Omgherhair. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox the package and show you guys everything that comes inside of your box. So inside, of course, they send you multiple choice headbands. Of course, with your purchase of every headband wig, they usually send you about 3 to 5 different style headbands. So we have a thicker one. These is like the ones you just apply. I don't really know how to call it, but they're just the one you just put over your head. And then I also have a cheetah print headband. Get a stocking cap and a rat tail comb. So this is our wig. This is what it looks like. And the inside does have 4 combs. It has 3 on the top and 1 on the bottom, like where the nape area is. And then it has the elastic band in the back to attach around your head. So I'm just going to quickly read you guys the specs on this hair. So this hair, I did get this hair in an 18-inch. The hair color is a number 2, so it's not like too black. So you guys can see the color there. It's not too black. The hair density is 150 and the hair texture is a kinky curly. So of course, the first thing that I usually do is take the 3 combs and I usually just stick it into my hair. So you just stick it in right behind your hairline. You also can definitely swoop your edges before or after you apply the wig. I usually tend to sweep mine before, but because I had a different wig on, mine is already swooped. So I'm just going to stick the combs in. So after sticking the combs in, you want to pull down the back area, make sure it's secured onto your head, and then you can go ahead and tighten the string. Alrighty, see how quick and easy that was to just install this wig, you guys? I'm going to come closer so you guys can see the texture of the hair. The wig itself is really full for 150 density. I'm just going to turn around and show you guys what the back is looking like. Also, you can pin it up. I'm just going to wet the ends. The wig itself has like a really nice curl pattern to it. It looks really natural. So this is basically the wig. I literally just threw it on and add some water to it and I was done within less than 5 minutes. If you're somebody who's a complete novice when it comes to laying down any kind of lace fronts, or you just don't have the patience or the time to, you know, lay down a wig every day, then these headband wigs are definitely ideal for you. They're so easy to lay down. Like literally within seconds, you can just throw on this wig and head outside. It's literally just a throw on and go. Especially if you're a wig beginner who has not even the slightest clue to what to do when it comes to installing a lace front wig. These wigs are perfect for you because for 1, they protect your edges. For 2, you literally just throw it on and go. So there's no work required besides adding some water to the hair, which pretty much everybody could do. With this wig in particular, all you would have to do is add some water to it, add whatever curling products that you want to add to your hair, and head outside. This is pretty much the wig. The hair is gorgeous, you guys. So again, I did get this hair in an 18-inch. It is curly here, so it does look a little short. The hair density is 150. Again, the hair color is a number 2. The cap size that I got is a size medium. And the cap construction is a machine weft made headband wig. The price on these units starts at $84. And also, like I said, they do send you a bunch of different headbands, which I'm just gonna go ahead and try one right now for you guys and show you guys what it looks like with the headband. I'm not gonna do a ponytail. I feel like I've done a bun with all the others I've worn, so this one I just want to try it without. Like these kind of headbands, I prefer the one that goes all around your head. These ones I find like they look bulky on the top, but that's pretty much how one headband will look with it. It's really cute, but I don't like this one, so we're gonna try another. I'm gonna try this one, the cheetah print. Is it a cheetah or leopard print? What do you guys call this? I feel like this is a cheetah print, no? Or is it a leopard? Call it a cheetah print. I'm gonna call it a cheetah print. So this is another way that you can wear it. This one is super cute. I'm loving the whole cheetah print or leopard print, whatever you prefer to call it. Again, you can play around in so many different headbands. I don't think I've ever liked wearing headbands until these wigs came out, and now I'm like, damn, these can actually go on. Like, they're popping. I really like them. I also mentioned that it protects your edges, so let's save all edges 2021. Vote for Kayla for president. So I'm really a huge fan of these headband wigs. I definitely think you guys should invest in one, or hey, you can always buy my used one. So I sell every wig that I review. I have a sale probably once every month or once every 2 months. I try to like gather a few wigs of mine and just sell them. So once I take this off, I put it down, get it clean and what's not, and then I put them up for sale. So if you're interested, you can wait until I have a sale, or you can go ahead. The hair itself on this unit is really soft. Also, I really like the curl pattern. So far, I'm running my fingers straight. I'm not getting any shedding. And I did add some mousse. Thankfully, it's not puffing back up. So usually, sometimes with curly hair, once you're like playing in the hair constantly, it does tend to get really puffy, or it might get frizzed up. But this one, it's actually staying well. I love how the curls looks, you guys. It looks really natural. I will have all the details listed down below on where you can purchase it, all the specs and all of that. If I do have a discount code, I will leave that down below as well. I want to know, are you guys a fan of these headband wigs or not? I feel like I'm the only one that's like so hyped about them, because like my work here is so minimal. I could wake up for like the past, I would say for the past 2 weeks now, every day I've been like rotating my headband wigs. So I wake up, I put on one today, tomorrow I put on a different one, and they're like so easy because I don't really have to do any work when I get up. So I just put on a wig, swoop my baby hairs, put on a different headband, and I'm outside. So there's really no work here, and yet I still look so presentable. My hair looks really cute. I also get a lot of compliments on them. All I do is throw on a headband and I'm out the door, and I get so many compliments on them. So you know what, I'm a huge fan of them, and I think you guys would definitely love them. So if you have not tried one, I definitely think you guys should invest in a headband wig. But yeah, that's it for this hair video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, comment down below again. Comment down below, let me know how are you guys feeling about them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, all of that. Subscribe so you will not miss any of my uploads. Also hit that bell button right here, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.